So today I'm gonna surely go to this waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall. I've seen some pictures of it on the internet, and it's a secret, like hidden location near Mumbai. Not many people know about this, but it's like 130 kilometers from Mumbai, and I'm totally stoked to go out there. It's 6 in the morning right now. It's 6 in the morning, and I'm really excited to go out there and check it out. I'm gonna be riding till a little bit ahead of Lonavala, and I'm not planning to plunge into the waterfall because I really don't know how to swim, but I think I am gonna plunge and try to drown myself. No, I'm just kidding. I'm ride ready now, and I'm gonna be soon leaving. But before that, I think I should inform my mom. Mama, मैं राइड के लिए जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ठीक है? हाँ? So हाँ, but एक चीज़ है, मेरे को अब तक ये नहीं पता है कि वो वाटरफॉल अब तक खुला है कि नहीं, या वो सिर्फ मानसून में खुला होता है या क्या. बट ठीक है, मैं राइड पे निकल रहा हूँ आज, कैमरा लेके, पूरा अपना गेयर लेके, and I will figure it out on the way. Let's see, let's hope it's open. And
a few moments later.
And yeah, I am sure you guys have not met Connor yet. Connor is basically my brother and the partner in crime. There you go. Check out Connor. And
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
पूरा नाम क्या अंकल आपका?
चंद्रकांत मेंगड़ी.
और ये कितना ऊपर है वाटरफॉल्स?
2 तास लगते हैं जाने का, 2 तास आने का.
2 तास. चलो ठीक है. आई वॉज होपिंग कि मैं यहाँ पे ऑफ रोडिंग करते हुए आ जाऊँ अपनी बाइक लेके, बट या ऑफ कोर्स द वे इज़ क्वाइट नॉट प्रॉपरली बिल्ड फॉर बाइक. हिंदी में जैसे कहते हैं पगडंडी, ये पूरी पगडंडी बनी हुई है. दिस कंप्लीट वे it goes through the forest, so it's impossible to get your bikes. So I found these guys, and they let me park my bike for free. Normally you have to pay 50 rupees charge for that. If you guys are coming here, I will be putting their numbers in the description below, so you guys can contact them and they can give you really good deals. If you're in a big group, then surely they'll charge you like $500 for 10 people, and if you're alone, like I'm a solo guy, so they are charging me somewhere around $200 to $400. Like it's upon my discretion. They're like कि 200-300 दे देना सर, ऊपर से बात का बाद में देखेंगे types of water. This waterfall is located at this place called Bhira Dam. I am finally at the Devkund waterfalls, the secret hidden gem right next to Mumbai, and it's beautiful out here. Oh my god, it's winters right now, so it's the waterfall, it's dried up a bit, like the fall is still on, but it's not heavy. That's Devkund waterfall. There are ropes tied up. I was only supposed to go till that particular area, and not beyond that. The water there, it's quite deep. It's really deep. There are signs as well. One is this, and one over there, telling you not to go too deep into the water. And of course I'm not going there because I don't know swimming, so I don't want to put my life in danger. I have so much to travel, so much to explore in life, and so much to eat.
Eventually.
Woo! Feels so good.
Several song-filled hours later.
I'm really exhausted right now. Going away from the waterfall towards the village again.